Hi, gang. Welcome to Intro to World Religions. My name is Jeff Lawson. I pastor the Hopewell United Brethren Church near Auburn, Indiana, and it'll be my pleasure to walk with you over the next couple of months as you do world religions. Of course, being a pastor of United Brethren Church, you can guess that my world religion that I follow is biblical Christianity. If you follow another religion, hey, I'm not going to hold that against you. I think it's wonderful we live in America that we have a choice as to which God we're going to follow, if we want to follow God at all. In fact, a lot of my students over the years have been atheists and said that they don't believe in God, and you know what? That's your choice, and I'm not going to hold that against you whatsoever. So please don't hold against me that I do believe in a God. Listen, you may look at the weeks, the 16 weeks in the courses and say this is kind of monotonous, that we're doing a discussion, we're doing a quiz, we're writing a paper. That's the best way for me to just kind of pull out and to just give you a survey of each one of the world religions, just to tend to dig out. And again, I'm not going to be able to say that you're wrong for believing this or whatever, but what I'll do is I'll go by your quality content of what you write. And again, each week you're going to have a 2-page paper, so please don't waste half the paper telling me my name and your name and your mother's maiden name and what city you grew up in. You know, people like to do that up and down the lines. They say, you know, all these things about me, and then they're not only giving me about 1 page worth of paper. I want 2 pages of quality content. And again, if you're struggling to do that, feel free to consult and cite outside sources. Don't do plagiarism. You don't do a copy and paste from Wikipedia. I'm smarter than that. So, but feel free to cite some outside sources if you need to in order to fulfill your obligations each week with your 2-week paper. Pay attention. At the end of the semester, you have a couple of major projects due. One of those is collateral reading. I'm asking you to come up with 300 pages of read material, outside sources besides your textbook, that you read maybe on something that interests you. Maybe we don't cover the Amish, but you say, I'd like to learn more about the Amish. So get yourself a book, and all I'm looking for is the title of the book, the author, and how many pages you read. You don't have to write a book report on the book that you read, you know. And again, it doesn't just have to be one book. You might find 5 or 6 or 7 books that you read 20, 30, 40 pages of each one of them. I'm looking for 300 pages of collateral reading on world religions. Shout if you have questions, and I can maybe give you some recommendations on that. The second thing is, this is a major project. I want you to pick a world religion. And again, it doesn't have to be one that we've covered. It can be, but it doesn't have to be. And just dig into it a little bit deeper. And I'm looking for 4 pages of a paper of where you just dig in and you study. And I know a lot of people, like maybe you attend the Catholic Church and you want to do a 4-page paper on the Catholic Church. Maybe you want to say, I studied Hinduism, and one of the castes of Hinduism really impressed me. Maybe you want to look at the difference between Muslims and what's going on with ISIS, and write a paper about that. I'm completely leaving it up to you. I can give you some recommendations if you need that, but feel free to jump on that. Don't wait to the last second, because again, it is a big paper and it's worth a lot of points. So be sure to do that. One last thing, I'm an old man, so please no late night texts. I put in your syllabus the best time to do that. Feel free to call me, text me, email me. I'll do my best to keep up with you. And just know that I'm here to help you succeed, and I'm available, and I care. Take care, and again, watch for extra credit. We might throw some of that out there for you throughout the semester as well. Take care. Have a good day.